Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off and turn on the sound of your keyboard on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. So now, as you can see, we are on the main screen, and from here we have to go to settings. We have to choose sounds and vibration and then system sound. Here you can see an option about Samsung keyboard, and if you want to turn off this sound you have to click here, and if you turn it on again you have to click again. That's all for this video, but if you want to know more about your Galaxy A55 5G, please let's see other videos about this series on our channel, and let's see each other in another one. Thank you, bye!